Most people don't have a money problem, they have a money management problem. You can earn a good salary and still be broke if you don't control your money. Money comes in and quickly goes out. At the end of the month, nothing is left. This happens because there is no system. Step 1. Track your expenses for at least 1 month. You need to see exactly where your money is going. Step 2. Divide your money into categories. For example, needs, wants, and savings. Step 3. Always save first, not last. Even 1020% can change your future over time. Step 4. Avoid unnecessary expenses. Small daily spending can destroy your budget. Money should grow, not just sit. Step 5. Invest your savings instead of just keeping cash. Step 6. Build an emergency fund. This protects you when unexpected problems happen. Step 7. Stay consistent every month. Money management is not about one big action, but small habits. If you follow this system, your money will stop controlling you, you will control it. Control your money today, or it will control your future. Follow for more real money and life tips.